Today we are discussing Active eCommerce 7 with all extension. Okay, so let's find out Active eCommerce on website. Search here, and you can find here as you can see here it is Active eCommerce CMS. And now you want to download it. Uh, Here you can see you can download and it can be demo. Okay, so you use demo. Let me show you the demo. Wait for 14 seconds. Continue. Get the a okay. It's a browser and it's a front end. Okay, so you can check first email. Here is the email. Okay. Now you can get this all extension in your place. Here you can see affiliate, free transaction, option, delivery, OTP, point and send, wholesale. This is the all extension will be added. Okay, and this is the site that we look like. Okay, right? You can see that this is the site. Now let's download it from the link. So as you what you do inside that, just download free, rating the app, say and write anything, working fine, remain. Okay, submit. Okay, now the link will be open. You can see, and you want to subscribe the channel from here. Subscribe and notification bar. After you click, and it will be closed. Okay, and now download free. Wait, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. And now you can download it. You can see here it is the script, and download it. You okay, 160 MB. I will give you the link. You can see here it will be download. Okay, you can check it out. And what we have, okay, we are just creating by WhatsApp login panel. You can see the OTP integrated with the WhatsApp number only. It will be showing the OTP will be come to the mobile. Let me show you how it will be work. Okay, so I'm just telling you where it is. Okay, just wait. I am show you how to WhatsApp is work on here. Okay, you can see WhatsApp in my account. Just wait. Okay, done. Here you can see. Wait, I'm show you. Hello. You can see this is my WhatsApp number. Okay. So now we have to send the OTP on that number. You can check it out. Okay. I'm select my country. Okay. Enter country name 8955698093, and I'm not a robot. And send password link. See, it is come. Hi, this is your code. You can see, and now phone number is 792908. This is a code. Sorry, code. Phone number plus 918955. Password 23456 Now you can reset the password. It will be resetted. See, it's a resetted, and it will be login to me. See, in my account. See, here is it, right. So we use free WhatsApp script in active e-commerce. Okay, if you need to customize, we will customize for you as a paid service. Okay, thank you for the watching.